Airplane wings are designed to generate lift, the force that keeps the plane in the air. White smoke from an airplane's wing engine can result from engine startup, particularly in cold weather due to condensation and exhaust moisture. These components are carefully balanced and assembled. The fan is installed within the engine nacelle, positioned at the front of the aircraft. It draws in and compresses air, which is then mixed with fuel and ignited to generate thrust, propelling the airplane forward during flight. The parts are cut, shaped, drilled, welded, and assembled using various machines and tools. The wings and engines are then tested for quality and performance before being installed on the aircraft. Precision machining centers, such as CNC gear, hobbing or grinding machines, are used to manufacture airplane engine gears. They are shaped with high accuracy from metal alloys. Some of the benefits of airplane wings, engines, and tires are: they enable fast and efficient transportation of people and goods across long distances. They reduce fuel consumption and emissions by optimizing aerodynamics and combustion. They improve safety and reliability by incorporating advanced features and systems.